Dear friends, in this video we are going to tell you that how you can connect your multiple systems with the server. Now as Marg software is installed in your server and you want that your operators to be able to access Marg software directly from the server, then for this you have to connect the server with client system, means you have to connect the systems of operators with server. And for this your all systems should be connected with single network. So now let's see its process. So for that, firstly you will go on that location of the server where Marg software is installed. Then click right on Marg folder and go to properties. Then click on sharing tab. Then click on advanced sharing and now go to permissions. Then from here click on add and mention the system name of that user to whom you want to connect with server. And then do OK. So in this way that user will be shown to you in the list. Now after this you will select here that what permission you want to give to this user. So select here according to you and do OK. Again do OK and do close. So in this way you can connect multiple users with the server. After this you will map client or node system from the main system IP address. And to know the IP address of the main system, you will press Window plus R, then type CMD and do OK. Then command prompt window will appear and here you will type ipconfig and press enter key. And now you can see the IP address. After this user will press Window plus R on their system and mention the IP address of the server or main system. Do OK. So folder of Marg ERP is shared here and now you will do right click on Marg folder and select map network drive. And now simply you can map your drive from here. And now user can open the Marg software by clicking on it. So friends, in this way you can connect your multiple systems with the server by following the process shown in this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Marg Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos.